I started my YouTube channel with just my mobile phone, no fancy camera, no any other equipment, and honestly, with no idea what I was doing whatsoever. Because I remember when I started, like, I don't even know how to edit my videos, so I will create videos up to like 100, 200 times so that I will be able to get one perfect one that I did not make any mistake from start to finish before I upload. But today I have grown from 0 to 45,000 plus subscribers as a mother of 4 with no paid advertisement, with no team, just me learning, strategizing, and grinding. And that is why today I'm going to break down to you exactly what I did and how you too can do the same. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ijapari Gyang, and today I'm going to share with you how I moved from 0 to 45,000 subscribers until today. I don't have fancy camera. So the first thing that I did on YouTube that helped me to grow is clarity and focus niche at a time. So when I first started, I didn't really start with the perfect niche, but I quickly realized that clarity brings growth. So I focused my attention on what I know how to do best, which is live streaming and content creation, because a confused content equals to confused subscribers. So what you need to do is to pick a particular niche, solve a problem, and stay consistent, even though this can be so tricky. Because if you box yourself so much to a particular niche, you might struggle later on. That's why you will see some creators with millions of subscribers, they will announce that they are no more creating content on this and on that. It is very important that you narrow your niche, but you also do what you love in between. Like me now, if I talk about content creation, YouTube growth tips, and all that, or monetization, you will see that I struggle with views. But when I talk about live streaming, I get thousands and thousands of views. But I still talk about live streaming while I do other things. Reason is because I don't want the algorithm to box me in so that I get frustrated. So even as you are focusing on a particular niche, ensure you have a content strategy so that you carry the community along. And you need to watch this my short video where I explain the content strategy, different content strategy you can incorporate, so that even when you are still talking of 2 or 3 niches at the same time, the community can still follow you, and that is going to be a win-win for you. The second thing that I did on YouTube to grow to 45,000 subscribers is I create value-based content. Every video I create answered a particular question or solve a problem. I don't just create content for talking, but whenever I create my content, I ensure that I'm helping people, and that makes people to come over and over again. They come back to view my videos, they come back and they subscribe, and they still stay. Reason is because as I create videos about live streaming, I ensure I put in so much value that you would also even want to watch my video about content creation. So if you are creating your videos, ensure your videos are creating value, is answering a question, because YouTube is not just a social media. YouTube is a business, YouTube is a search engine, and YouTube is owned by Google, and Google is the largest search engine in the whole world. So the third thing that I did to grow from 0 to 45,000 plus subscribers is I optimize my videos very well. When I talk about optimization, optimization is everything. Before I click record, the moment a video idea pop up on my head, I will just write it down and I will go straight to YouTube. I will search if there are people that have created videos that are related to what I want to talk about. I'll watch 2, 3, 4 videos. When I watch them, I'll put eye on their description, their tags, their thumbnail, their title, the comment section, to see if there are things that people are complaining about and how I can make sure I add those things or remove what people don't want. And then I will check what I have experienced, what I can, my uniqueness that I can add to it, what deeper level I need to go into when creating that video, so that when I now start creating the video, I'll make sure I mention those things that I'm going to put in my description. I mention them in the video, because the moment you upload your video, YouTube will first of all know everything you say and compare it with what you put in your thumbnail and your tags. If it is not If it is not the same, your videos might not be seen, because YouTube is a search engine. So for your video to be suggested, all the things you are saying and what you are putting in your description need to tally. And the tools that I use vidIQ. You can either use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. You can use it for free so that you can know what is happening and they can give you suggested content. So before we move to the next step, I want to quickly mention this. If you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, I created a guide for you from zero to YouTube hero. So you can click, the link is in the description. You can get one for yourself. You can get a copy. But if you feel you don't want to get one, you can also join a challenge, because the zero to hero was inspired by the 30 days YouTube growth challenge that we did for free on Telegram. You can join and just check the pin message where you learn from day 1 to day 30, everything that we learn. People from that group asked that I put it together. And this is not just an ebook, because in the book, I put links to videos that will explain to you practically everything that I mentioned. So the link is in the description of this video. So the fourth thing that I did to grow on YouTube is I build community. Like from the start, I respond to every comment in the comment section of my videos. And not only that, I also ask questions within my video so that people can interact with the question in the comment section. And if they are asking questions for something they want to learn, I make sure I deliver my promise by creating video answering that question and coming back to reply to you in the comment section of the video or pin it in that video. And not only that, within my video, every video that I mentioned that it's going to be in the description of this video, I ensure that I put them in the description of the video, because I know how frustrating it can be when I watch a particular creator's video and say that link is in the bio or is in the description, and I now get there, it is not there. It can piss people off. So I ensure I deliver my promise, I engage, I build community, as well as I build another community outside of YouTube. Like on Telegram now, I have over 3,000 members on my Telegram group. But please, if you are joining my Telegram group, I want to always remind you that anyone DMing you is not me. Anybody asking for money is not me. So please stay safe, okay? The fifth thing that I've also learned that helped me to grow from 0 to 45,000 plus subscribers is I stay consistent and I show myself authentically. Like there was a time that I was off YouTube for 7 months. My husband was sick, he was paralyzed. I was going from one place to another. I did not say everything, but I make sure I carry people along in the community, even though sometimes I'm not consistent, but I show myself authentically. I show that I'm a mother of 4. I show that my husband was sick. When he later went to be with the Lord, I also share. So because people don't follow you for content, they also follow you for connection. You need to build that connection. So I build with people, I connect, and as a mother of 4, that as I struggle, I also share my struggle and all that. The bonus tip I want to add for you right now is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a gold mine. If you are on YouTube now and you are not using YouTube Shorts, you are leaving a lot and lots of growth potential on the table. I know that some of you as a starter, a lot of people will tell you that there's no money in short. Of a truth, there's no money in short, but there is something you can do with YouTube Shorts that can bring you a lot of money. How do you do that? You create some long form content and then create short form content as well. So when you are uploading your short form content, you add a related video so that when people watch that short, they will just click on that related video. It will take them to your long form video, because YouTube Short will give you more subscribers, while long form content will help you build community and will help you make money on the internet. So you can watch this my video where I explain to you how you can upload your YouTube Short the right way so that you can get more and more engagement. So if you have watched this far, I know you are really ready to grow on YouTube. So don't leave empty-handed. Ensure you like this video. Ensure you drop a beautiful comment. If you have any question, if there's any particular kind of help that you need me with, or a practical video showing you how to do it, let me know in the comment section. And the 30 days YouTube growth challenge, you can join is still there. You can just click on the pin message, you will see everything that is there. But you can also share your videos in that community. You can meet like-minded people, because YouTube can be a very lonely journey. Having like-minded people is another plus. Another thing that you can also do to grow is engage in the comment section of this video. If you are a new content creator, you can just say, I'm new here, let's grow together. All those things, it will help you a lot as you grow on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.